That's a terrible idea. I'm really not ready.
Today we are going to create a text effect, a viral text effect commonly used on TikTok and YouTube. Now, first of all, we're gonna click on layer to create a new text layer. Now we have our text layer. We're gonna type the conversation that Deadpool has with Colossus.
I've always liked to play with fire.
Now we have our text widen. We're gonna deselect the fill to have only the stroke of the text. Okay. First of all, we're gonna go over the preset panel and just type fade up words. Now we have our text. We're gonna hit Ctrl D to trim the text. First of all, we're gonna add a preset on the effects and preset panel. If you don't have your preset and effects panel, you have just to click on window and click on effects and presets, or hit Ctrl 5 to activate your presets and effects panel. We're gonna type fade up words. Fade up words. Okay. Let's see the effect. Let's just add a fade to our words. Okay. Just drag it a little bit to the end of the conversation. Okay. Secondly, we're gonna add a second effect to our text layer, which is increase tracking. Okay, I'm gonna adjust what this effect does to our text layer. We're gonna, first of all, we have to hit the U on our keyboard and just click on the tracking value. We're gonna set it to 5. After, we're gonna isolate both the keyframes and click on keyframe assistant and click on easy ease, just to smooth our animation. We're gonna add a third effect, which is fade out slow. We're gonna type fade out slow. We're gonna click U just to activate, just to display the keyframes, to adjust them. I'm gonna drag this over here and drag this to the end of the conversation like this. I'm gonna put this to the beginning and just drag this right here.
I've always liked to play with fire.
We have to adjust this preset depending on our conversation, just to have it quickly match with our conversation. Now we're done with the animation. We're gonna pre-compose our text layer. After, we're gonna add a glow effect on it. We're gonna type glow and just drag it on our text effect. Okay, we're gonna set the glow intensity to 1.2 or 1.3 like this, and set the glow radius to like 20 depending on you. Okay. Now we're done with our text effect. If you enjoyed the video, click on subscribe and like the video and share it to another person.